Hello everyone, welcome to the class of Health and Physical Education, Unit 2, Olympic Value Education or Olympic Movements. And today's topic we are having, that is Ancient Olympic. Now we should know that how this Olympic has started. So we are going to learn the history of Ancient Olympics. Now Ancient Olympic Games were originally a festival or celebration and for the Jews. Events such as foot race, javelin contest and wrestling matches were being added later. So this Olympic were being started in the year 776 BC in Olympia Valley, and it is being believed that the native for the Olympia adore Zeus as a god. They used to worship the god Zeus. They were held in the honor of Zeus, and the Greeks gave them the mythological origin because they used to worship the Zeus. They also used to worship the fire. By lighting the fire, they used to worship. The first Olympic is traditionally dated to 776 BC. They continued to celebrate when the Greece came under the Roman rule. With the rise of the Olympic declined, and in 393 AD, the Roman Emperor Theodosius I, a Christian, abolished the game as a part of his effort to suppress the paganism in the Roman Empire. Now, the Theodosius I, he has abolished all the temples in that Olympia Valley. Everything he has destroyed, because he used to consider the festival which was being celebrated, this Olympic game, they used to celebrate as a festival. They used to consider that it is a paganism, that it is of no use. So they have the Theodosius, a Christian, abolished all the games. They destroyed many of the temples which was been there in the Olympia Valley. So, according to the another story, the Augustus, the king of Elis, give the responsibility to clean the vast table as a punishment to the Hercules for his misdeed. Now, Hercules, the son of the Zeus, started the game and sports in the honor of his father. Now, Hercules, who was Hercules? Hercules was the son of the Zeus who has started the game and sports in the honor of his father. And then afterwards, the punishment to the Hercules for his misdeed was being given by the king Elis. The Hercules placed the condition before the king Augustus that if he complete his punishment as well as keep his promise, then the king Augustus will have to give tenth part of the animal property. So that was being considered. These was in the part of that time period which was being there in the ancient Olympics. So we are having a very large history for this ancient Olympic. Then ancient Olympic games were being held at the Olympia in the Greek city of the Elis in 776 BC, but it is generally accepted that the Olympics were at least 500-year old at that time. The ancient Olympic held every 4 years occurred during a religious festival honoring the Greek god Zeus. They used to have a religious festival. They used to they used to worship the Greek god Zeus. In the 8th century BC, the contestant came from the dozen or more Greek cities, and by the 5th century BC, from as many as 100 cities from throughout the Greek Empire. Initially, the Olympic competition was limited to the foot race, but later on, the number of the other events were being added, including like wrestling, boxing, horse and chariot racing, and military competitions. These were being introduced as the time used to go on. They used to introduce the different games. Otherwise, they have been started with the foot race. We are going to learn that in further. So here in the history of this ancient Olympics, the wrestling took place between the gods and the goddesses to assert the right on this earth. The wrestling took part between the Zeus and the Crones, in which the Zeus became the winner. To celebrate the victory of the game, and sports were being started. Now, how the sports has been started? It is according to the another story, because the story is not that much clear. So there are the different stories that why they used to celebrate this Olympic game as a festival in the name of the god Zeus, because the wrestling has took place between the Zeus and the Coronos, in which the Jews became the winner. So that's why they used to celebrate the games and the sports and has been started. Now the historian hold the view that the Greece was being divided into small states which were called as a city-state. Owing a mutual battle among the small state, Olympic game originated. Now they have started this because the mutual battle, and then afterwards the Olympic game has been originated. Now the reason behind the beginning of the Olympic game was it is that certain that these games were organized first time in the beautiful valley named as an Olympia. It was been where it was been organized in the Olympia Valley. You need to remind because such types of questions might be asked for the MCQ or 1 mark. And then when was the ancient Olympic had been held and in which place? So it was being held in Greece in the Olympia Valley. Therefore, these games were called as an Olympic game because as it was being held and organized in the Olympia Valley for the first time. It was being named as an Olympic Games. The ancient Olympic Games continued for approximately 1000 years, but in the 394 BC, Theodosius, the king of the Rome, has stopped the ancient Olympic Games. See, we have learnt in the previously we have learnt this that the king of the Rome named Theodosius, he has stopped the ancient games Olympic. He has destroyed everything. The stadium was being destroyed. But even after that, the memory of these games remained in the heart of the natives. The native places who were being nearby, that was been in the heart of the natives. They could not forget these games even after the many of the centuries. So this is what the history of this Olympic. We are having a very long history. So just in a short, I have just described you. Then what are the rules for the competition? Let us see. The rules for the competition during the ancient Olympics was that the competitor must be only Greek. He or she, he must be. He must be only from Pan-Hellenic race and must be physically fit. That means that here the competitor was only the males, and females were not being allowed, or the women were not being allowed to participate or to see. That is in the point 4 it is been given. Then savages and the punished person or the criminals, they were not being allowed to participate in this game. If anyone know that this person is a criminal or the savage or this person was being punished previously, then he is not being allowed to participate in this Olympic games. Then competitor had to stay in Olympia for 1 month before the beginning of the Olympic game. So before the beginning of the Olympic game, the competitor have to reach in the Olympia Valley 1 month before, and then afterward he need to practice there for 1 month. Only then he is able to participate. They have to take oath that they have already taken the training for 10 months in their state, and at least there should be 10 months of training in their own state or where the place they have been there. Then women were not being allowed to participate in the competition or see the games. It is this point is you can see that during that time period only males used to participate, no women's participation, and they were not being allowed to see also. Only the amateur sports person could participate in these games and not the professional. Amateur sports person means that not professional. Actually they are not professional, so that's why they can participate, but not the professional. Those who are the skilled person, they will not be participating. Otherwise the other person will not, or the other person will not get the chance to win, or they cannot show their talent. So here the amateur sports person could only participate, and professionals were not being allowed. So here the fourth point I want to just tell you that in the women were not being allowed to participate, but during that Olympic, one was an incident where the mother used to see the participating his child performance in this valley, and then afterward she was being found because no women's or the females were being allowed to watch also, because the participant who used to participate, they used to participate naked without having any clothes. They used to participate, so they were not being allowed to, women were not being allowed, and especially the married women were not being allowed. And then afterwards when the mother was being caught, then he was being punished at that time. So these are the rules of the competitions during the ancient Olympics. Then we are having the coming toward the awards during the ancient Olympics. Now, during the original Olympic Games in ancient Greece, the champions were not awarded gold, silver, and bronze medal. Nowadays, you can see that in the different competitions related to the Olympic, Commonwealth, or these Asian Games, they used to see that the awards in they used to give the position holder, they used to give the awards like gold medal, silver medal, or bronze medal. But in the ancient Olympics time period, they do not used to award, they do not used to give them the gold medal, silver medal, or bronze. They used to provide uh, all the ring, they used to as a crown. This crown was being made up of the olive wreath. This has been made up of olive wreath, which is the crown which was being given to the winner. So here, instead, the ancient Olympic victors or the winners were being awarded an olive branch twisted into a circle to form a crown. So here you can see that it has been given. Now only fruit grains and the animals were being given as a reward. At that time, fruit grains were being given, animals were being given. The wild olive, called as an kotinos, has deep religious significance for the ancient Greeks, because there are the religious significance. So that's why they used to, because it has been considered very pure. This crown is considered even very pure. Olive, it has been made from the olive tree leaves, the wreath of the olive tree. At the ancient Olympics, only the champions were being recognized. There were no prizes for the runners up. In the modern era, medals recognizing the top three finishers have supplanted the olive crown as the Olympic award. So here, during that award was being given at that time, you can see that most stress was being laid on the respect of and the honor instead of the award. They used to give the winner. They used to give the respect and honor instead of the award to the players of these games. Now, statue were also being made of the winner. Those who were the winner, their statue was being made at that time period. Then poems were being also been composed in the praise of the winner, and their names were being recorded in the annals of history. Even the player used to participate in these games for the respect and honor and not for the sake of the award. They used to only participate, the player used to participate only for the respect and honor and not for the awards. So these are the awards during the ancient Olympics. Then opening ceremony I have taken afterwards, but before I have taken award. But let us learn related to the opening ceremony. Now, opening ceremony of this ancient Olympic, the ceremony of the Olympic game begins from the new moon day in the July after 4 years. The events of the Olympic continues for 5 days in the precise order. On the first day of the game, the priest performs the ritual with the grand opening and burns the sacred torch. But here, what happens that on the first day, in the opening ceremony, here the experts of the sports and games were being made them to take the oath. They were being assembled in the auditorium. They were being introduced among the spectators, and the game according to the rules, and they had to got to the training of the 10 months. They should be having at least training of the 10 months, which we have learned in the rules of the games. Then after the rituals, one by one, all the players used to come out of the sports arena and they were being introduced. Then the pig was being killed and offered to the god named Zeus. Here they used to give we do not used to call it sacrifice. We used to call it, they used to kill the pig and offered to the god named Zeus. After this ritual, the player used to come out of the stadium exactly at the time the player were introduced to the spectator. If one of the spectator had an objection against the player, if anyone used to find out that this person who is participating, if he is has done any of the crime, or he is a criminal or savage, then he is not been allowed to participate in the Olympic Games. So there are on the next day, see what happens on the next day. The first day in the opening ceremony, next day there is an amphibians, that is animal games were being played. So on the first day, on the third day there is a Delos, that is foot race. In the previous time period there were only foot race. Then afterwards Dolichos, that is chariot race and equestrian. Then Pentathlon, that is combination of the race, throwing and jumping, were being performed. On the fourth day Pugilis, that is known as which consists of boxing, wrestling, sword fighting, and other contact games were being played. On the final day of the closing ceremony, the prize were being given to the heroes or the winners. The flock of the pigeon were being sent to all the cities of the Greece, which carries the names of the champions. So on the first day, only the religious functions were being performed. The second day, second day was reserved for the march past and introduction, and after that, the chariot race, horse race, pentathlon were being held. And the morning of the third day, the ritual of the sacrifice of animals were being performed. And after that, the competitions of the race, wrestling, and boxing were being held. As we have given the different names according to this Greece, the names were being given as in Delos, Dolichos, then Pentathlon, then Pugilis. These are being name given, and accordingly the events are being given. Means Pugilis means what? Boxing, wrestling, sword fighting, and other contact games. Whereas the Dolichos means chariot race and equestrian. So in the previous time period, such types of games were being introduced. Now you can prepare the notes on the basis of this. Such types of question like write down the opening ceremony of the ancient Olympics. This can be asked for the 3 marks. Write down the rules of the competitions. This can also be asked for the 1 mark. Also can be asked for the 3 marks. Write down the notes or write down the history of the ancient Olympics. You can also prepare the notes on the basis of this. Now one more thing I want to tell you, that you need to purchase the book for the health and physical education class 11th, that is related to the Dr. V.K. Sharma, that is Saraswati publication. This book is going to help you for the reference, and it is also going to help you for making preparation of the notes and for the preparation of the exams. Thank you.